So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments and also follow the telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd Wednesday. So now we are seeing a minor movement, which is a bearish market move. Have it in mind that the full bigger picture, the main trend on our AUDUSD is an uptrend move. As you can clearly see, this is the main trend on our AUDUSD. We are in an uptrend move. As you can clearly see, a series of higher high and higher low playing out, right? Now, when you take a look at what market is doing currently, which is our current trend, you can see that market is trending to the downside. So this is our first low that markets did. Then here is the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here is the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market then drop one more time again to form a new lower low, and we will be expecting market to form a lower high. Once the lower high plays out finish, another lower low. So that is to tell you that for the day we will be expecting a sell. So we will be expecting a bearish move on AUD/USD for the day. So all you just need to do is look for your sell setup. Once you get the sell setup, go ahead and take in your sell because AUD/USD should be giving us a sell. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.